Welcome, detectives. Today we're using our brains to crack the case of the book cover. Rashid, can you help me figure out what this book is going to be about?
Most definitely.
I want to connect the title with the illustration on the book cover to make a prediction about what will happen in the story. A story prediction is a guess you make from clues in the story.
I love playing cover detective. Detective Rashid is on the job. Hmm, what should I do first?
Let's start by reading the title. Can you read the title for me?
All right, let's see. It says nap on a mat.
Nap on a mat. That is exactly what the words say. Great reading. What does the title have to do with the illustration?
Well, I see a dog taking a nap. Oh, and he's on a mat.
Can you predict who the characters might be in the story?
Hmm. Well, the only character I see is a dog, so he's probably an important character.
Interesting. Now let's think about the setting of the story. Where is the dog?
The dog is inside a house, near a big open window.
And what is the dog doing by the big open window?
Um, the dog is taking a nap on a mat. Case closed.
Wait, how do you know the dog is sleeping? What's the evidence?
Well, his eyes are closed, and I see the sound zzz floating above him. That shows he's snoring.
You're right, Rashid. There is a sleeping sound coming out of the dog. It's not exactly a word, but it is one way we show when a character is snoring, because snoring can sound like the zzz sound. Brilliant work, Detective Rashid. We've gathered all the clues from the cover and illustrations. But the mystery isn't over yet. Let's put all the clues together to make a prediction about the story. Let's use a sentence frame to help us get our prediction just right. I see a sleeping dog, and the title says Nap on a Mat. So I predict the story will be about something that happens while a dog is taking a nap. I wonder what will happen.
Ooh, I know. Don't forget about the big open window. I wonder who will be coming to the window.
I wonder that too. That's a great prediction that someone will come to the window. Let's read the book and find out.